In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert and remove spaces automatically while typing on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in your menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Motor, select where it says Switch Control. And then if you scroll down underneath typing where it says insert and remove spaces automatically, either toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.